Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera, airbags, front knee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.